Hi, it's Mark from HotOperator, and I wanted to give you a look inside our process for designing and engineering a menu. There are two basic parts to our business: design, which is the creative side, and engineering, which is the science of menu development. In the engineering process, there are four parts to a menu that impact how well it helps you increase revenue: positioning, highlighting, anchoring, and numbers. We start nearly every menu we work on with a menu matrix. A matrix is basically an SKU rationalization, which helps us understand what your guests are willing to spend more for more often. In this way, it tells us where the money is hidden in your business. To develop a matrix, we need three pieces of information. We need your theoretic food cost, and if you don't have that, we can discuss average percentages to get what we need. We need a sales report that shows us how much of each item you've sold for a given period of time. 1 to 3 months if you have a point of sale, 1 to 3 weeks if you're counting tickets. Finally, we need to see the menu as it's presented to guests. If you're a new restaurant, we need everything but the sales report, which you won't have anyway. There is a focus group going on in your restaurant, with consumers voting on the success or failure of your restaurant every day. They vote with their pocketbooks and their feet. They decide if they will visit your restaurant, and when they do, they decide what they will eat. The matrix breaks the menu into 4 categories: stars, items with high volume and high profits; puzzles, high profit, low volume; cash cows, lower profit but high volume; and dogs, which are both low profit and low volume. It's like breaking the guest votes into 4 categories so we can better understand what they are thinking and feeling when they visit your restaurant. Our client services team will review all of this with you and help you with advice on which items to add, which to take off, and what price points are most strategic for your business. Once the process is complete, the actual menu development can begin. Our team will work on copy and the engineering model, and at the same time, our creative services team will start developing your new look. The engineering piece can be done as a thumbnail or a blueprint that helps our design team position the menu. The copy is developed to help put focus on items that have a higher earning potential. We keep our clients involved in the process at each step, so that the menu is developed with them and not just for them. In this way, you will have a better and deeper understanding of the menu process so that you can better explain it to your staff. Each menu we create is unique to the restaurant we're working with. This is essential to your brand image. The last thing you want is to look like another restaurant. Instead, you want your own unique design that will help express your restaurant and enhance your brand. What you want is your own unique look, and you want the right art director for the job. The problem with many distributors who design menus is you get one person who may or may not know a lot about engineering. And because they are captive, the distributor isn't going to send out for anything. So the staff they have is the staff you get, whether they're good at what you need or not. You also want an objective viewpoint from people who care about what you sell and not what you buy. Because if your menu developer is more interested in what you're buying, they're going to engineer your menu to sell more of what they want to sell, and that may not be what you want to sell. Once you've selected the design and the copy is approved, we proceed to a full design-engineered menu. This proof will have everything in position, including mental anchor points, and will give you a chance to see how it all comes together. Once the final piece is approved, we print, collate, and deliver the menu, along with the owner's manual that you'll want to review with your staff. The entire process can take a few weeks to a few months, depending on how quickly you can test new items and make decisions. To get started, give us a call at 1-800-316-3198. We're your independent source for menu design, engineering, and marketing communications. Call HotOperator, because a successful restaurant starts with the right menu.